I'm so excited. We're getting ready for She Buys It Live, November 6th through the 9th in Knoxville, Tennessee. It's going to be here at the Mill and Mine in downtown in the Old City in Knoxville, Tennessee, November 6th through the 9th. I'm super excited because we've got all sorts of amazing real estate investors coming to She Buys It Live. Women are flying in from California, they're flying in from New York, they're driving from Kentucky and Ohio. There's going to be 118 women walking through those doors on November the 6th, and I want you to be one of those 118 women. The first year we did She Buys It Live, there was 8 of us. The second year we had 16 women and a couple husbands. The third year, last year, we had 46 powerhouse women in real estate investing. And this year, we're gonna have 118 women right here at the Mill and Mine in downtown Knoxville, November 6th through the 9th, and I want you to be there. Go to SheBuysItLive.com right now to get your ticket. We're gonna have, my husband's gonna be talking about how to buy apartment complexes. April Crossley is going to be talking about how to borrow other people's money to get your deals done. And Joanne Black is going to be talking about how to turn all of that into vacation rentals. Now, I'll be here talking about houses and how you can get started without banks or a license. We're going to have a couple guest experts coming. And don't forget that it's not just about the event. Yes, those 3-4 days in Knoxville here at the Mill and Mine, November 6th through the 9th, it will be amazing. But you're also going to get the recordings from 2017. You're going to get the recordings from 2018. And you're going to get a ticket to the event here, November 6th through the 9th of 2019. I want you to go get your VIP ticket right now today, because the first 50 women that get a ticket are also going to get to go on the Honey Hole tour to go see my actual houses and my apartment units. All right, I'm going to show you how to get out in the world, take it from the classroom, but also go out into the world and get your deals done. I'm going to show you how I found my honey hole out in the market and how you can go home and recreate that to find your own honey hole so you can buy 14 houses in the next 10 months. All right, ladies, She Buys It Live is for women to help you become that Proverbs 31 woman that you want to be. She goes to inspect a field and she buys it, y'all. Come join us at She Buys It Live, November 6th through the 9th of 2019, so you can get out there and buy those houses, buy those apartments, buy that money, buy that beach house you want. Buy it all. Create that passive income so that you can achieve your financial freedom. Go to SheBuysItLive.com right now. Maybe there's a link right there. Maybe it's down below. I don't know. But go to SheBuysItLive.com right now and get your ticket to She Buys It Live. I'll see you right here at the Mill and Mine, November 6th through the 9th of 2019. Oh, I'm so excited!